Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Blender on your PC step by step. Blender is a free and powerful 3D creation software used for modeling, animation, rendering, and more. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Blender official website. Then, click the Download Blender button. The website will automatically detect your operating system. Click Download Blender to start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, open the Blender setup file. If prompted, click Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. Next, click Next. Read the license agreement, then click I accept. Choose the installation location if you want to change it. Then click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Now open Blender from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Blender on your PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more PC tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.